Okay, today what we're going to learn how to do is Euler's method for obtaining an estimate for an individual value problem. Okay, this one gets a little bit complicated and long. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to menu, wrong menu, we're going to go to menu, we're going to go to Euler, which is spelled E-U-L-E-R, so it is not a phonetical spelling. Euler, hit enter. It pops up that first parenthesis. Then we got to be very careful. What we're going to do is we're going to type in our differential equation. So in this equation, in this instance, it's x squared plus y divided by y. So we're going to type in x squared plus y over y. Then make sure you hit comma. Next, we're going to type in what variables you're using, then the comma. So x, comma, y, comma. These commas are very important. Then we're going to do control bracket to open up the fancy brackets. What you're going to do is you're going to type in your initial x, comma, your final x. So in this case, it's -2, comma, 2, because we're going from -2 to 2. Then we go outside that, hit another comma, then we're going to type in our y initial condition. So our first y is -1, comma, what step we're using. So in this place we're going to use a step of 1. Very easy. And then we're going to press enter. What's it going to do? It's going to pop up each of our steps for us, -2 through 2, going by ones, and it's going to pop up the estimated value for each of these.